Major H-1B visa updates from fee hikes to salary preferences. Here's what every tech professional needs to know. The US government recently introduced 1 lakh one-time fee for all new H-1B visa applications. Well, it doesn't affect current visa holders or renewals, but new applicants will feel the pinch. Now the Trump administration is proposing to prioritize higher paid foreign workers. This means companies hiring for H-1B roles may focus more on specialized senior or higher paid roles rather than standard entry-level jobs. Indian IT professionals and other foreign workers are watching closely because these changes could limit the number of new visas for lower paid positions while favoring the top talent. In parallel, India's Ministry of External Affairs has been engaging with US government to clarify rules, protect workers and ensure smooth visa processes. If you are current H-1B visa holder, there is no immediate impact. Your renewal and travel remain unaffected. If you are applying for new H-1B, then this could increase the cost and competition, especially for the lower paid positions. For companies, hiring strategies might shift, fewer entry-level foreign hires and more focus on higher paid jobs. Meanwhile, China has introduced K-visa aimed at business professionals, investors and foreign experts. It's designed to speed up approvals and attract global talent as China reopens its economy after pandemic restrictions. The K-visa is the part of China's push to investment, entrepreneurship and skilled migrations, giving foreign professionals easier access to the country. This could shift where global talent decides to work, invest and build their careers, making visa policies a key factor for international opportunities. So if you are thinking of working abroad, where would you go? US with higher fees or China with fast-track K visas? Let me know your thoughts on this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.